Okay, good morning classmates. I'm going to continue the topic of hydroelectric power in the Philippines. And let me introduce myself. I am Kim L. Plaza, student 21. Hydroelectric power, also called hydroelectricity, it is a form of energy that harnesses the power of water in motion, such as water flowing over a waterfall to generate electricity. People have used this force for millennia. Okay? Contents natin is, these are the list of the hydroelectric power plant in the Philippines. 1. Agusan Dam. 2. Angat Dam. 3 is Binga Dam. 4 is Kaliraya Dam. 5 is Kaseknan Dam. 6 is Kalayaan Pump Storage Hydroelectric Project. 7 is Magat Dam. 8 is Pantabangan Dam. 9 is Pulangi Dam. And lastly is San Roque Dam. Itatakal po natin siya for the following slides. Hydroelectric power in the Philippines. The Philippines has a population of more than 10 million and there are 15 large dams in operation. The country's dams have a total water storage volume of 8.67 times 109 cube. And then is Agusan Dam. Agusan Dam is hydroelectric plant, the downstream facility of two proposed plant which was constructed in the Milag Manolo Fortich, Bukidnon to serve the immediate domestic and industrial requirements of the area. This is the example of Agusan River. And the Agusan Dam is type of dam is concrete flow, impounds niya is nasa Agusan River, height is 1 meter, length niya is 22 meter. And spillways type niya is trapezoid, overflow, and type. And nag-start siya ng construct is May 1951. Tapos nag-open siya noong December 29, 1957. Tapos construction cost 20.74 million or 891.82 million sa ngayon. Tapos owner is First Gen. Tapos ang reservoir niya, total capacity is 2,996 million cubic meters. Surface area natin is 117 kilometers second. Maximum of water depth is 19.3 meters. And now, we will go for the Angat Dam. Angat Dam is a concrete water reservoir embankment hydroelectric dam that supplies the Metro Manila and nearby provinces with water. The reservoir supplies about 90% of raw water requirements for Metro Manila and irrigates about 28,000 hectares of farmland in the provinces of Bulacan and Pampanga. This is the picture of Angat Dam, and official name niya po is Angat Dam. Location is nasa Barangay San Lorenzo, Norzagaray, Bulacan, Philippines. Una siyang sinimulan na i-construct is November 1961. Tapos nag-open sila is October 16, 1967. Tapos, ang cost nun is 315.344 million pesos po. And yung impound niya is sa Angat River. So, spillways niya po is 3. And we will go more to Binga Dam. Binga Dam is a dam in Agno River connected to hydroelectric power plant situated at Barrio Binga, Barangay Tinongdan in the municipality of Itugon in Benguet Province of the Philippines. Ito po, yan po yung picture natin ng Binga Dam. Napakaganda po ng dam niya. Tapos, ang type of dam niya po is storage, earth, and rock. Impounds niya is nasa Agno River, tapos height niya is 107.37 meters, tapos length niya is 215 meters or 705 feet. Spillway type is stainter, radial gates, motor driven hoist, chain lift type. Tapos ang official name niya po is Binga Hydroelectric Power Plant. Location nga po is sa Barangay Tinondan, Itugon, Benguet. Nagsimula yung construction niya is 1956 noong August, tapos nag-open sila is 1960. Tapos ang cost niya lang po is 18.50 million at ngayon na price. So, sa Caliraya Dam is an embankment dam located in the town of Lumban, province of the Laguna, in Sierra Madre mountain range of the Philippines. Ito po yung Caliraya Dam. Picture po niyan. Tapos, type of dam niya po is embankment dam. Impounds is Caliraya River. Tapos, spillway niya is one. Type of spillway niya po is chute spillway. Tapos, status niya, nag-ooperate pa po, tapos nagsimula po ng construction is 1939 by San Pedro Suchi and the company. And, ano na din po tayo sa Kaseknan Dam. Is a dam diverting water from Kaseknan and Taan rivers for the Pantabangan Reservoir through a 25 km or 16 miles long tunnel located near Pantabangan and Muñoz in Nueva Ecija, province of the Philippines. Ito po yung picture natin. Ang kaganda ng dam. Tapos nag-construct po siya, nag-start is 1995. Nag-open po sila is 2002. Construction cost is $600 million or 28.07 billion pesos in a current price. Tapos, ang dam and spillways niya is, sa impounds is Kasiknan Irrigation and Power Generation Project sa Rizal, Nueva Ecija. So, total capacity ng reservoir niya is 802 million cubic meters. And, sa next is Kalayaan Pump Storage Hydroelectric Project is Kalayaan Pump Project Power Plant was built in 1982 in the first of its kind in Southeast Asia and the only pump storage facility in the Philippines. Kalayaan was upgraded from 150 megawatts to 168 megawatts. Kalayaan 2 was built was guaranteed capacity of 174.3 megawatts. Of course, the Kalayaan complex serves as large peaking facility in the Luzon grid, but its primary function is to provide frequency regulation and control. In the daytime, a period of high demand for power, the plant generates electricity, but at night, a period of low demand, Kalayaan pumps water from Laguna Lake into Caliraya, in indigenous way of storing energy. So, ayan po. Tapos, nandito na po tayo sa Magat Dam. Is a large rock-filled dam in islands of Luzon in the Philippines. The dam is on the Magat Dam is a major tributary of Cagayan River. Magat Dam is one of the largest dam in the Philippines. It is a multi-purpose dam which is used primarily for irrigating about 85,000 hectares or 210,000 acres for agricultural lands, flood control, and power generation through the Magat Hydroelectric Power Plant. Ito po yung picture ng Magat Dam natin as currently po na picture. Then, nag-start po yung construction ng Magat Dam is 1978, tapos nag-open sila is 1982. Type of dam niya is rock and fill dam. Impounds is Magat River. Tapos ang reservoir niya is surface area is 11.7 kilometers squared or 4.5 square meters. And Pantabangan Dam. The Pantabangan Hydropower Station, located in Nueva Ecija in the Philippines, consists of 2 megawatts hydro turbines, which were originally commissioned in 1977. The plant is a part of multi-purpose hydro complex that supplies irrigation water for the vast fields of Nueva Ecija, northeast of Manila. Ito po yung Pantabangan Dam. Yan po. Tapos, type of dam niya is embankment, earthfill, tapos impounds, Pampanga River. Tapos, nag-start po ng construction yung Pantabangan Dam is June 1971. Tapos, nag-open sila is 1974. Tapos, cost ng construction is $20.74 million or 891.82 million pesos at the current price. So, ang spillway niya po is 3 times radial gates and 1 times overflow. Ayan po. Pulangi Dam for hydroelectric plant is also known as Pulangi Dam, is located at Pulangi River near Maramag, Bukidnon province of the island of Mindanao of the Philippines. Ayan po. Tapos, first po na nag-construct ang Pulangi Dam is noong 1982. Opening date is 1986. Tapos, nakalocate po siya sa Maramag, Bukidnon. So, type of niya po, dam is gravity embankment. Tapos, yung impounds niya is Pulangi River. Tapos, spillway type, tainter gate controlled. Ito po. And lastly po, is San Roque Dam is a 20-meter tall and a kilometer of embankment dam of Agno River. It is the largest dam of the Philippines and 60th largest in the world. Isipin nyo, kalaki. It spans the municipalities of the San Manuel of San Nicolas, Pangasinan, nearly 20 km north of Metro Manila. Agno River is the third largest river in the Philippines with a total length of 221 kilometers and a drainage basin at the project site of 1. Tapos which is 225 square kilometers. Ito po yung San Roque Dam. And construction began is 1998. Opening date is May 1, 2003. Tapos construction cost is $1.9 billion. Impounds niya po is nasa Agno Rivers. Location niya po is nasa San Miguel and San Nicolas, Pangasinan and Itugan, Benguet, Philippines. And that's all for today. Thank you for listening for the list of the hydroelectric power in the Philippines. Thank you.